A pandemic devastates the world every century. History proves the fact. Now, we are facing a tough time with coronavirus COVID-19. Social distancing is the norm. Adapting a habit to survive. Mask is a common thing. That's when IRDA has recommended two products. Corona Kavach, an indemnity policy. Corona Rakshak, a lump sum benefit policy. Joining the people to fight against the pandemic is Star Health, the #1 standalone health insurance company of India, offers Corona Kavach to shield yourself against the invisible threat. COVID-19 has not only impacted the health of individuals but also drains the savings due to treatment cost. An indemnity policy that covers the hospitalization expenses up to sum insured. Corona Kavach policy covers the treatment cost of any comorbid conditions, including pre-existing conditions. This indemnity plan reimburses hospitalization expenses actually incurred by the policyholder to the extent of sum insured. Any adults between 18 years to 65 years and dependent children from day 1 to 25 years are eligible. Policy terms are attractive with no annual policy term. Sum insured range starts from Rs 50,000 up to 5 lakhs. Now who can buy this policy? Individual and floater basis is applicable. In Corona Kavach, COVID hospitalization covers the expenses incurred for treatment of COVID on positive diagnosis in a government authorized diagnostic center. Expenses for hospitalization minimum period of 24 consecutive hours is admissible. Cashless and reimbursement covered up to sum insured, including room rent, nursing expenses, ICU, doctor fees, PPE kit, gloves, mask, etc. Road ambulance, a maximum of 2,000 rupees per hospitalization. Home care treatment expenses is available up to a maximum of 14 days with various expenses covered. Ayush coverage in Corona Kavach up to the limit of sum insured for treatment under Ayurveda, Yoga, Siddha and other non-allopathic systems of medicine. Pre-hospitalization expenses up to 15 days prior to admission or treatment. Post-hospitalization expenses for 30 days from the date of discharge. Hospital daily cash is optional, a cover of 0.5% of sum insured. A 5% premium discount is given to healthcare workers starting from doctors to hospital staff. There is relief under Section 80D of IT Act. Waiting period is 15 days from the date of policy commencement. Exclusions are certain diseases, conditions or treatments. Simplified claim procedure with easy documentation. Choose Corona Kavach to secure your family. Thank you.
Star Health Insurance Corona Rakshak Policy. Boost your immunity by adapting to healthy habits. Protect your savings from COVID-19 with Corona Rakshak Policy. Here are the benefits. Beneficial policy specific to Corona. Lump sum benefit on positive diagnosis of COVID. 100% sum insured. Affordable premium. No pre-acceptance medical screening. Waiting period 15 days. Why this policy? An exclusive policy that offers lump sum benefit on positive diagnosis of COVID, which will be equal to 100% of the sum insured. COVID cases increasing day by day. Who can take this policy? Adults from 18 years to 65 years. Policy term, no annual policy term. Policy type, individual. Benefits, Diagnosed with COVID positive requiring hospitalization for minimum continuous period of 72 hours, lump sum benefit equal to 100% of sum insured is paid. No pre-acceptance medical screening required. Teleconsultation facility. Talk to Star, a much needed support in this scenario. Our motto is personal and caring. Tax benefits. Insured person is eligible for relief under Section 80D of the IT Act in respect of the premium paid by any mode other than cash. Policy exclusions and waiting period. Points to remember. Premium including 18% tax as applicable. Happy selling to one and all.